Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video, samahan niyo ako sa isang amazing and unforgettable yak experience here in the beautiful Dubai Marina kasama ang aking mga friends at ang gorgeous na si Miss Krishna Gravides. Pagdating pa lang namin sa Marina, sobrang ganda na agad ng view. Makikita mo na ang mga towering skyscrapers, luxury yachts, at ang relaxing vibe ng waterfront. Talagang mapapasabi ka ng, wow, this is Dubai! At syempre, pag-akyat namin sa yak, ang unang pumugad sa amin ay ang delicious food spread na nakahanda na para sa lahat. From appetizers to refreshments, talagang feel namin ang luxury experience from the very start. Habang naglalayag kami sa Dubai Marina, hindi namin pinalampas ang pagkakataong ma-enjoy ang breathtaking views ng skyline. Perfect din ang weather kaya talagang sinulit namin ang pagkuha ng photos and videos. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang mga group pictures, candid moments, at reels para may memories na may babalik-balikan. One of the best parts of this experience was spending quality time with friends. Ang daming kwentuhan, tawanan, at bonding moments. Minsan talaga, hindi lang sa lugar na kukuha ang saya, kundi sa mga taong kasama mo. And of course, it was such an honor to meet and spend time with Miss Krishna Gravides. Napaka-graceful, friendly, at inspiring niya. Nakakatuwang makita na bukod sa beauty, she also carries herself with confidence, humility, and kindness. Habang papalubog ang araw, mas lalo pang gumanda ang paligid. The sunset reflecting on the water and the city lights slowly lighting up the skyline created a truly magical atmosphere. Isa talaga ito sa mga moments na gusto mong i-pause at namnamin lang. This experience reminded me to appreciate life, celebrate friendships, and be thankful for opportunities like this. Hindi araw-araw nakakaranas tayo ng ganitong klaseng adventure, kaya talagang memorable ito para sa akin. A huge thank you to my friends and to Miss Krishna Gravides for making this day extra special. This is definitely one of the highlights of my Dubai journey and a memory that I will always cherish. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!